Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure a credit card with HSBC easy tutorial step by step clearly. To secure a credit card with HSBC, start by visiting the HSBC website. Navigate to the credit card section from the home page. Review the available credit card options to find the one that suits your needs. Click on the card you wish to apply for to access more details. Once on the cards page, look for the Apply Now button and click it. Create an HSBC online banking account if you do not already have one. Fill out the online application form with your personal information. Include details such as your name, address, and contact information. Provide your employment and financial information as required. Review the eligibility criteria for the specific credit card. Make sure you have a good credit score, as this may impact your approval. Check the required documentation on the application form. Prepare any necessary documents, such as identification and proof of income. Submit your application after reviewing all the information for accuracy. You will receive an application reference number for tracking purposes. Wait for HSBC to process your application. This may take a few minutes to a few days. Check your email or online banking for updates on your application status. If approved, you will receive your credit card in the mail. Once you receive the card, activate it following the provided instructions. Begin using your secured credit card responsibly to build your credit history. Regularly monitor your account and payments to maintain a good standing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.